Hi everyone, in this video I'll show you how to wear your Gemeria Half Head Wig. So let's start by curling our wig. As you can see, it's very easy. Okay, so I'm sectioning my hair like this and combing out the hair, leaving the front pieces. I'm braiding my hair because they are long enough to be braided. If you have shorter hair, you can make a small bun and clip it as tight as possible. Just making sure everything is good. Now, I'm gonna take the wig and place it on the parted area and secure the clips. Then I'm securing the side clips as well, and then the comb which is attached at the bottom of the wig. Now I'm taking some of my hair and combing them over the wig. Though it's not necessary, but just to be on the safe side, you can do this step. And with that, you now have long hair within few minutes. I will see you in our next video. Bye bye.